Hello everyone, my name is Sagar. I hope you had a great day. So today I'll talk about one funnel of a third week, that is sales funnel. And in this week I'll mostly talk about the funnels, how this work, and uh, how to design and all. Right. So let's talk about what is sales funnel. So what is the core strategy of a sales funnel? So sales funnel, as you can say, it is a psychological process of a customer journey to make purchase, right? That's how I understand. It is a psychological process. So how the psychological, let's understand it. In traditional website, most of the company or the market, what they do, they keep so many options in their website and people are completely confused. If your customer will get confused, a confused mind never say yes, will say no, right? Because they are getting confused. They don't know where to take actions. You have news, you have banner, you have phone number, you have landing page form. They gets confused in so many ways. Right? So they don't take actions. That's why out of 100 people, hardly 2 people take actions in website. But in the sales funnel, it is a completely drastical change when in terms of taking actions, because the objective of a sales funnel is to take actions, and there is no other options more than one, right? There's only one actions point is there, and customer have to take actions, otherwise he will not move to the next page, right? So here the like they this is the traffic, and the out of like you can generate through Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and they will come to one funnel, and simply they make purchase after the funnel, right? So how the process, let's understand in a more deeper way. So what is the main objective of a funnel? Generate leads, create a customers, no other things. This is the two goal of a funnel. So one of the biggest asset of a funnel is list building. What is a list? List is like the contact details of a customer. Like it may be phone number, email ID, whatever you can say. So if you like, let's take a calculations like how it will help to make your financial freedom more stronger. So if you have let's one contact details, and you have $1 potential earning in a month. If you have 100 list, then you have $100 in a month as uh, as earning, right? So let's say you have thousand list, thousand contact details. So you have a potential of $1,000 in a month. This is how the calculations works. The list building is very important. Even if Facebook shuts down or any other social media platform shuts down, but it will not affect your business because you have your customer contact details. That is the real asset, right? Where you control your uh, customer contact details. Second is thought. This is the process just I want to show you. So let's say this is a completely sales process. It's a basic sales process where you take traffic your customer to the first squeeze page. Squeeze page is the first page for customer lands. Right? You can say it is a landing page or opt-in page. Right? So in digital products, what we do is basically we give something for free. Let's say ebook, report, or any course for free. So where we ask for a email ID or phone number so that we can share the uh, login details to customers email ID, so customer email ID. Then second page is sales offer. Let's say sales offer, you can give some, you can sell your any product whatever you have, and that must related to that first product, because uh, if you just giving some solution to your problem, and that must, the sales offer should be should solve more bigger problem of that customer, then only customer can purchase your next one time offer. Like OTO upsell is like you upsell your customer like then like one time offer. So let's say you are into training industry, you are selling your course in this sales page. Then in the OTO page, you can ask, okay, you can get one-to-one coaching in that this offer, right? So kind of services you can say you can provide to your customers. This is a basic sales process you can see. This is simple affiliate funnel. Like if you do not have any product, then you can definitely you can sell other people product. If affiliate marketing, what people normally does is they just take the affiliate link and share and spam across WhatsApp group, Facebook, everywhere, right? But that is the road. That is not the right way. If you are selling other people product and you are just sharing the link, then you may make some money, but that is just for one time, right? If you are just sharing the link and making commission, then it is, you are not building your business, you are building other people business. If you are making your list, like I mentioned, like if you have to have build your list. So in opt-in page, you may give some free resources so that you can get their email ID, and you make your list, and that list will help you to sell other offers in future, right? So every time you cannot ask same people to purchase your product like through direct link, but in email you can nurture them, you can send some good uh, value in the email, then you can ask for a sell after some time, right? So you can get lifetime value of from a one customer, right? Then like this is the opt-in page. You can, so in affiliate funnel you can use opt-in page, then thank you page. Thank you page you can ask uh, to take actions or click, and it will take to affiliate offer. An affiliate offer, that the company which you are promoting, that does the work, because then that company must have some OTO, that is the part of their sales process, right? Whatever we have seen like this, like they must have something similar to this service. So as I mentioned, if you are into affiliate marketing, I would strongly suggest you build your list, then sell your offer, right? That is the strategy. So this is all about the basic funnel. I'll tell about more about the sales funnel and how it can be designed. So I hope you like this video, and I would like to definitely listen from you, like how you feel, like how the explanation is. If you learn something, just do comment. And if you have any questions, also comment so that I can answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching.